In emergency management series, we are going to see how to identify the emergency in your clinic scenario. Okay, basically, what is the emergency? If any condition which leads to the permanent threat to the patient's life or which can leads to the permanent injury to the patient's health is considered as an emergency. Generally, in your clinic, two types of things happen, whether it's an emergency or urgency. So we are going to see what kind of emergency conditions happens and how to identify. Generally, any emergency if happen in your clinic, it's generally there are two types of things you have to see. First, whether a patient is telling you anything, like if he's not feeling well suddenly after giving a injections or local anesthesia, or because of environment or allergies, he will tell or she will tell to you he is not fine, he is feeling a restlessness, he is feeling a sweaty, or he or she may feel a giddiness. So first, sometimes if patient is conscious, he or she the patient may tell to you that the some kind of things happen which is not usual. Then if patients become unconscious, then there are clinical signs or symptoms you can identify or you can look for, like suddenly patient gets a sweaty body, sweaty face, cyanosis on the lip, heavy chest feeling on the mid part of the body, like the patient sometimes keep the hand on chest, sometimes a choking kind of feeling. Like in that condition patient may tell that he or she may feel the choking condition. Sometimes patients suddenly become unconscious, suddenly become a blue on the face. So these things or these are alarming signs. Before emergency come, these alarming signs generally come, and you have to identify on, then you have to immediately start working on it. So in this series we are going to see how to identify the emergency and how to manage them. So stay tuned, stay follow. Dr. Hemant Bhavnerkar, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, Mumbai.